2. Text and titles. To add text in Premiere Rush, navigate to the top left where it says Add Media, select Graphics, and what I want to do is I'll just select this basic large title here, and I can just drag this in. And let's say I want it to show above this video clip here, I can just drag it above that clip, and then once this adds in successfully, I'll go ahead and play it so you guys can see it. So you can see our title is showing up, but it's not the exact text that we want. So all I need to do here is just go ahead and double click on it, and I can change it to, for example, tutorial. To edit how this text looks, all I need to do is navigate over here to graphics, and then it will show you all the different options that you can customize here. The first one is going to be the text, so I'll go ahead and select that. And it will show us the fonts we can choose from. It'll let us change the size, the colors, and a whole bunch of other stuff about it. And down further below, we can also select these shapes and change the colors of them, or simply remove them entirely. And I can also change the duration of this graphic simply by grabbing the beginning or the end and just dragging it in like so. So now that's going to end with the ending of my main video clip here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this now. So now you can see we added in custom text. So adding text in Adobe Premiere Rush is a little bit weird because you technically have to add in a graphic first. It doesn't give you a devoted type tool like Premiere Pro does. But once you figure out how to work with these graphics, you can basically add in whatever custom text you want. Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.